Right, so the engine's in. Woohoo! So I've been taking advantage of the last 2 days, the cool weather here in Southwest Florida. It's probably been in the 70s. I've been able to get some stuff done. And naturally, when I took that rubber seal out, it tore a little, so I have a new one on order. Cost $5 for the piece and $15 for shipping. Go figure. Those are the times we live in now. So it was a little challenging doing it all by myself, but between the engine hoist and the floor jack, I was able to get it in there. And I had some redundancy in support. And then I have the jack stands at the very end. The first moment it was a little wobbly, so the front is now lower than the back. So be careful, guys. All right, that's it for now. Later.